You made it to university. You're working hard. But every month, does your money just vanish? Do you ever feel like the system wants you broke? Honestly, it often feels that way. From tuition hikes to overpriced textbooks, it's like a game stacked against you. The reality is, the modern university is a massive financial ecosystem. Every convenience, the coffee shops, the branded gear, the ease of putting things on your student card often comes at a premium. And the financial education side, it's usually missing. This leaves millions of students feeling stressed and sinking into debt. You feel like you're losing before you even know the rules. But you can fight back. You can understand the traps and win this game. I've got your battle plan right here. 10 real-world strategies to reclaim your money. These aren't just tips. They're tactical moves. Stick with me, especially for the last one. It's the ultimate counterattack. First, track your money. You can't fight an enemy you don't understand. Track every single dollar. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet. This isn't about judgment. It's about awareness. Once you see where your money is going, those invisible leaks become obvious. Second, master your kitchen. Campus food is expensive. Learn to make 3 to 4 simple, cheap meals you can cook in batches. Think pasta, rice and beans, or lentil soup. Meal prep on a Sunday and bring your own snacks. This saves money and is healthier. Third, unleash student discounts. Your student ID is a discount superpower. Always ask if there's a student discount for software, restaurants, clothes, transport. The list is endless. You could be missing out on 10 to 20% off just by not asking. Fourth, the textbook takedown. Never pay full price. Check your library first. Rent from sites like Chegg. Buy used on Amazon or campus marketplaces. Or ask your professor if an older, cheaper edition is okay. This alone can save you hundreds each semester. Fifth, smart transport. Owning a car is incredibly expensive. Unless it's essential, ditch it. Walk, bike, or use public transport. Many universities offer free or discounted passes. This puts money right back in your pocket. Sixth, subscription sabotage. Those small monthly fees add up. Conduct a ruthless audit. List every recurring charge and ask yourself, do I really use this? If not, cancel it. You'll be shocked at how much found money you uncover. Seventh, build a side hustle shield. Even a small, flexible side hustle provides a crucial buffer. Think tutoring, pet sitting, or freelance writing. That extra income means less stress and more financial flexibility. Eighth, find free fun. Your campus and community are packed with free entertainment. Check for free concerts, movies, or sports games. Utilize the free gym. Organize potlucks or game nights with friends. You can have an amazing social life without burning through your budget. Ninth, build an emergency fund wall. Unexpected costs happen. Build a small emergency fund. Start with $100, then aim for $500. Automate $10 or $20 a week into a separate savings account. This prevents small emergencies from becoming massive crises. And finally, the 10th weapon, the lifestyle creep counterattack. As your income goes up, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. Resist this. When your income increases, your savings should go up first. Channel extra money into your emergency fund or paying down debt. This discipline now leads to massive financial freedom later. The truth is, fighting back is about aligning your money with your values. Cut ruthlessly on things you don't care about, so you can guilt-free spend on what truly matters to you. Your homework? Pick just one of these weapons and use it today. Small, consistent steps will turn the tide. If this helped you feel more empowered, hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it helps me keep making these videos for you.